In this training video, we'll show you how to work with the automated add-ons for inventory items. When viewing the inventory item, if the Add-ons button is colored, it means there are add-ons for this inventory item. You can add up to 30 items to choose from. These items will be displayed in a pick list when choosing the inventory item in point of sale, quotations, and service. Add-ons can be automatically added. This is an environmental fee added to every computer item. For the EHF fee to be automatically added, no matter what else is included, open up the add-ons and check the Automatically Add Items checkbox without adding any stock numbers. This is a combination of choice items and an automatic EHF fee added at the bottom. First, we'll demonstrate the Standard Choices option. Next, we'll demonstrate an automatic add-on. The final sample is where there are some choices and an automatic at the same time. As you can see, the two selected choices came in, along with the automatic EHF fee option.